friends, style tips today with what I'm wearing to work. So I've got on a camisole, a silk camisole with a loose fitting kind of chunky knit cardigan over the top. I call this style cardigan a granddad style cardigan. So the reason why camisoles and large cardigans work so well together is because the kind of evening look or the sexiness look of the cami is dressed down by the chunky cardigan. So it makes camisoles really, really wearable in the daytime, or if you're a little conscious of your arms. It's also the perfect excuse to show off any lovely necklaces that you might have lying in a jewellery box at home that you think, do you know what, I'm going to show that off today. It's coming into spring, so roll up your jeans, show a bit of ankle off. Okay, so I've done that here, rolled them up a couple of times. If you're conscious that your ankles feel a little bit pale because they haven't seen the sun, then put a kind of 10 denier nudie tan pop sock on. It makes all the difference. Take a look. So you can see here, oh, I can't really show them, but little pop sock. And it's almost like kind of foundation for your legs. Really cool. So, I don't know if you can see, this is the look. So I hope this inspires you to wear your camisoles in the day, give them a casual vibe, and see you soon for some more. Bye.